favorite part about the job. Oh.
Hi Layla, how are you today? So Layla's our office manager. She came in today with a upper back and neck stiffness and problems, so we're going to give her a courtesy adjustment. Exhale.
Oh, that was good. Oh!
Get a lot of tenderness. Must be when you're answering the phones all the time, scheduling our patients.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. Give me a little stretch first.
Like that.
We're gonna have to sit up for this.
It's my favorite part about the job. Oh.